Now here is something more to come in regex syntax, and that is modes. We put modes at the ending of our forward slash. For example, if you have a regular expression of regex, then your mode will be at the ending of your forward slash, right at the end. We have many modes. For example, we have standard mode, in which we don't write anything at all after the ending forward slash. This is called our standard mode. Then we have global mode, in which we put G at the end of our regular expression. Then we have single line mode, in which we put S. Then we have case insensitive mode, in which we put I. Then we have multi-line mode, in which we put M, and many more. Now I cannot tell you the difference of all of these modes right now at this moment, because we will use them throughout this course. For now, I'm just going to show you global mode and case insensitive mode. So global mode is denoted by G and case insensitive mode denoted by I. Now let's test these modes in our regex engine tester. So here is our tester. Now on this website you can see that we got this flag right here. So if I click on this flag, you can see we got couple of modes right here. We got global mode. So if I click on this global one, now you can see that this website has already put G by itself. When I click this global mode, if I click on some other mode like multi-line mode and unclick this global mode, you can see that we got M. And if I also click the global mode, then you will see both M and G. So for now, first let me show you the global mode. For example, if I have a regular expression of color, and for the test string I have something like color, and then I wrote some failed test string like jazib, it doesn't match our regular expression, then I write color again, then I write color again, then I write color again. So what we are doing right here by using this global mode, we are checking the whole test strings globally. We are finding our match and we are returning the result and highlighting them in global mode, more than one. Now if I turned off this global mode by uncheck this global mode, if I click it again, now you can see our G has been vanished and we only returning one match color. Also these one are also completely valid according to our regular expression, but we don't have global mode. That's why we are not checking the whole test string globally. Now let me on this global mode again. Now you can see we got total 4 matches. Now let me show you the case insensitive mode, and that is I. You will find it right here. So I'm gonna click on this insensitive mode. Now if I write here color with capital O, you can still see that we got 4 matches. Now if I add color in capital letters, you can see we still found the match of color. Now if I remove this I, this case insensitivity from here, if I remove this one, you can see that this one is not matching at all. Instead, if I write here COL and then O in the capital form, then R, we got only one match. So in case if you want to allow some uppercase and lowercase letters in your test strings to be matched with your regular expression, you should on what? Yes, you should on case insensitive mode. It will let you also find upper and lower case letters in your test string. To summarize, you put your mode right at the end of your forward slash.